Jetpac eSIM Honest Review. Watch before using. In today's video, we'll be diving into an honest review of Jetpac eSIM, a global eSIM provider that's been gaining traction for offering affordable and convenient data plans for travelers. So, is it worth using? Let's break down the features, pros, and cons so you can make an informed decision. First off, Jetpac eSIM is designed primarily for international travelers looking for hassle-free mobile data access without the need for physical SIM cards. They offer a variety of prepaid data plans, making it easy to get connected in over 150 countries. You simply scan a QR code to activate the eSIM, which means no more fumbling with tiny SIM cards or waiting for delivery. You can switch between different data plans for various destinations, all without taking out your phone's physical SIM. This is perfect for digital nomads, frequent flyers, or anyone looking to avoid high roaming charges abroad. When it comes to coverage, Jetpac eSIM shines in terms of reliability. The service partners with multiple local carriers, which ensures strong network coverage in many regions. Whether you're traveling across Europe, Southeast Asia, or the Middle East, you'll find their data plans deliver good speeds and strong signals. However, depending on the country, the speed and stability can vary. Some regions, especially in rural areas, might have slower connections, but that's often the case with any global eSIM provider. A major selling point is the flexibility Jetpac offers in terms of data plans. They allow you to choose between various packages based on data usage and duration of your stay. This makes it easy to find a plan that matches your needs, whether you're on a short vacation or a long-term trip. Prices are also competitive, especially compared to traditional roaming charges from network providers. You can get 1 GB of data for as low as $5 in some regions, which is a steal for frequent travelers. But no service is perfect. Jetpac's customer support has received mixed reviews. While their online support is quick to respond, some users report that issue resolution could be faster. Also, there's no option to call for support directly, which may be frustrating for users in need of immediate assistance. Additionally, Jetpac doesn't offer voice calling or SMS services through their eSIM, so it's strictly data-based. This is a drawback for those who want to use their eSIM for communication beyond the internet. In conclusion, Jetpac eSIM is an excellent option for data-savvy travelers who want easy access to affordable mobile data without the hassle of physical SIM cards. While there are some minor drawbacks, the flexibility, coverage, and cost-effectiveness make it a solid choice. Just remember to double-check the coverage and data speeds in your destination before committing.